Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will learn extremely powerful and useful Python module, and that will help us in real world application like data analysis, automation, backend development and web scraping, etc. Let's get started. Collection module provide a specialized data structure. Let's see a demo in VS Code. From collections, import counter, name tuple and default dictionary. We will see a demo of counter. Very simple. First let's create a list, that is 1 2 2 3 3 3 4 and 4. So let's see that. Print counter and let's say number. It's very simple. The result is 3 for 3, 4 for 2, 2 for 2 and 1 for 1, right? So let's see that. 3 for 3, it is a dictionary where you can find this. Let's see a demo of default dictionary. So first let's see explain this, that why we need default dictionary. So D, let's say that is dictionary. If I try to do that, let's say that is this one, next equal to 1 is equal to 1 and next print this one. By default it will not do that, right? It will not print anything because it will give me some error. You will see that. Then if I to use this default dictionary and give it in integer, then by default it will take is as 0 and then we can add this one, right? So that is A1 and it has a class that is integer. Very simple. So let's say a demo of name tuple, right? So let's see that. So name tuple has person, we will say that is name tuple, that will be person and next name and age. So what will it do? It will create a class that is person with attribute that is name and age. So let's say that is I give a student 1, that is person, name that equal to Riazul, age that equal to 28, and if I say print in f string, let's say that the age of student 1 dot name is student 1, okay, students dot, let's say that is age. Very simple. Students is one, right? So let's see that. The age of Riazul is 28. OS module lets Python interact with operating system. Let's see a demo in VS Code. Import OS. First let's print current directory. So by get cwd, this one, and next let's print list directory. What are the folders present there or subdirectory present there, right? So let's see that. Go to terminal, let's run this one, Python OS module. Okay, so this one. So we'll see that firstly it will print that E, that is Python U2, and next it has this all this thing, that is my file present in this directory, right? Now let's comment out this 2 and let's see that how to create a directory, subdirectory inside it. So let's say os.make directory, and let's say demo folder, and let's say that exist OK, that equal to true. So it will, by default, what will we do in the next time, we will see that it will not give any error if it is already present there, right? As it is not present earlier, so it will just create this one, and you will see also in by listing this. Let's see that. So yeah, also you can do that by creating another time, but you will see that it will not do anything error. But you can also see that demo something is also there, demo folder is the subdirectory is also there. So next, let's see that how to read a file, how to write a file, how to append a file. So first, we don't have any file that is in txt, so we will first try to write it, right? Let's say that is file content that equal to, my name is Riazul Azim, and let's say that we will say with open sample.txt. We want to write in sample.txt, comma in write mode, in w mode, and as f, and what we will do, it will just write in it, right? So f dot write. So next, file content, let's execute this one. It's very simple how to deal with this thing. Let's say this one, and you will see a sample.txt present here with my name is Riazul Azim. If I want to append this one, it's very simple. That's how to deal with. Let's say that is I have another one, that is new line. Let's say that is this one, I am topper in my batch. So let's see that. It's very simple how to deal with, just A instead of W. You will see that okay, so let's say that is new line. So you will see sample.txt, I am a topper in my batch. So let's, how to read this one, it's very simple. Let's say that is R and F, and let's read this one. So print that f dot read, and let's read it. My name is Riazul Azim, I am a topper in my batch. Let's see a demo of date time. So let's see date time. First, let's say that is now, that is what is the time right now, and I'm recording right now at this time. So let's print this one, and next, let's say what is the date today. So we will say that is today, that equal to date time dot date, because I want date dot today. So next, let's see that is print today, and next I want the future date, that is after 7 days. So today plus date time dot date time dot time delta days, that equal to 7, and let's print this one, future. So let's go to the terminal and let's run this. So Python datetime module. So it's very simple. You see that is 11:35. So it is 11:35, 12 second, 52 second. Next, it's had a date. This is 31 December, and after the 7th day you will see 20 to 26 appear. Let's see a demo of math, right? So it's very simple. So let's print that math dot square root of, let's say, 36. Yeah, we know the result, that is 6. Let's see, that is print, that is math dot factorial of, let's say, that is 5. Yeah, it's very simple, 120. Let's see that all this using Python. Let's see Python. So let's see math.py, so pi, so that is 3.14, right? So let's see that. So 3.14 for this one. Let's see debugger. It's very important as we debug the code. So nothing else, we will just print z. What is this z? That is x plus y, right? But using a debugger, here breakpoint means here there will be a break while debugger will debug after that, right? So z that equal to x plus y, but you need to write that z that equal to x plus y in that also, print that is z. So let's run this one, go to the terminal, and next let's go to this python minus m pdb, that is Python debugger module, and next this is debugger.py. So you will see C to continue, right? And next you just say that, I just say that z that equal to x plus y, and next what is z? Let's print this one, 30. Let's go to x. What is this? X that is 10, y that is 20. How to quit? Just use quit. Okay, so you just quit that one. So let's see regular expression. So import re. Let's see a text, that is my Gmail is Riazul Azim 2 @gmail.com. So how to extract the Gmail from this text? It's very simple, using regular expression. So let's say that is result that equal to re dot search, and let's say that r, and let's say that w plus, as it is a word, right? Riazul Azim is a word, and we want to grab one or more, and next let's see that is d plus, and let's say @ d plus means digit 2, right? And next let's say that is w plus dot w plus, comma, let's say that is text, and let's print that result dot group. So we will find our desired result, that is Gmail. So let's see that if it is true. Oh, Riazul Azim 2 @gmail. So let's see that another example. So let's see that text that equal to my total subscriber are 45 and their age are between 18 and 45. Oh, let's say 48, right? So let's find that 45, 18 and 48. Very simple how to deal with this thing. Let's say again result that equal to re dot find all. Let's say that is r in sense of that is all a digit, so d plus, comma, let's say that is text, and let's print that result. So what will be? Let's say 45, 18, 48 in list. So let's try another one. Let's say that I want to print that, let's comment out the earlier one, print the thing that I want to substitute all the number with x, right? So let's sub re.sub r t plus comma x, simple, no problem, x comma x. So let's see what is the result. My total subscription are x, their ages are between x and x. Let's see the demo of zip and unzip in VS Code. So first let's import that is zip file. Next with zip file dot zip file, next demo.zip, that will be created, so that's why I say W, that's been right. Next Z, you can say this with zip file as this one as Z dot write. Next sample.txt. So yeah, let's see that. And next we also see how to create unzip this one. So let's do zip file.zip file demo.this one, comma, let's say that is read as z dot extract all to demo folder. So first zip it using this code. So let's see that. It's very simple. We have sample.txt. So let's say python zip unzip.py. So you see that sample.txt. So we have created a, okay, so z dot this one, so yeah, demo.zip, so that is also there, right? Demo.zip is there, so you can open it. It's very simple. So you can see that sample.txt is there. So next let's unzip this one. So let's say that you can give it a name as, let's say, demo folder 2. So yeah, so it does not have demo folder 2. Let's unzip this. So yeah, you have demo folder this one and it has sample.txt. Web scraping means extracting data from website. Here we also need the concept of HTML and CSS to understand this, but here we will just discuss the Python concept and we will use request and BeautifulSoup library. Let's import request and from PS4 import that BeautifulSoup, and next let's say URL that equal to example.com. So that is, let's say that example.com. Okay, so that give a web scraping idea. And next say that response that equal to request.get URL. Next BeautifulSoup bracket response dot takes comma HTML parser. This is nothing else by assign a variable, that is soup. Now let's see it's very clearly, right? It's HTML and CSS. That is important. So you see here, I want to grab the title that is here in this, right? H1 is also there, or other than it I can also grab it using this title, that is example domain. This also clear. So how to deal with this thing? So that is print soup comma title comma text, and in this way you can grab the title. Simple. And next I want to grab this one, this value, let's say that is this link. What is the link here in learn more, right? You can go here, it is nothing else by this example domain. So I just want to grab this link from how? From this href a tag, right? So clearly see, for link in soup dot find all a print link comma get href. Simple. So let's see that. Go to terminal and let's run this. You will see example domain and this. Similarly, let's see a full stack web scraping demo, right? It's very simple. What it will do, let's say import request before from BS4 BeautifulSoup, import pandas as PD and time. Why you need pandas? Because I need to create a metadata books.metadata.csv, books metadata csv, and what will be there? So it is a website that is https://books.toastweb.com, that is good for web scraping tutorial. So in this way I will generate all this title, price, rating, availability, link in one this CSV file, right? So you see that is nothing else by this same link. You can also go to this Chrome browser, you can see that, and here you see that what that is there is a title that is a light in the attic, and next it has a price that is 51.77, and we will say that is in stock, right? And also we need to grab the rating as well, that is what is 3, 4 or something else. So how to grab this one? So we'll just see this using this one. It's very simple, right? So first let's execute this one. Let's see if this is correct code or not, right? So let's see that, and let's explain this line by line after that. Python full stack this one. So let's see. It will taking time, it is fetching, that is page 1. We say that is fetching this page 1 only, and it has some result, so it will go up to, it is only the Himalaya. So let's see that. So books metadata or this one title, a title in the attic 51.77, 3 rating, just simply check it, right? So next we have 3 rating, right? And it is in stock, and it has an href that is also given here. Simple, right? So let's see how we make it, right? So first let's say the base URL, that is nothing else by this page 1. I want to grab this page 1. It's very simple. If I take 1, so here let's say that is page 1. If I go to the next page also, it's very clear, right? that this one. So instead of this I just want to write that is page 1. So it is just right, simple. So let's say that books that equal to this one, so URL that equal to same as before, that is base URL that equal to this dot format page. So we'll grab this one, that is URL, and next dot get URL. If this is beyond that scope in terms of ranging this one from, it is a loop, so if it is beyond that, so then it will give me some error. And then we generally do the same thing, that is BeautifulSoup response.text HTML parser. And from this, that is most important part is how to grab the title. So we see that in H3 we have a title. So let's see that. It's very simple by doing this. So in H3 we see that is A tag is here and href, that is different thing, but the title is important here. So to grab the title, so how we do that? It's very simple, that is item.h3.a title.strip. Strip means if you have any spaces before and after, then it will just remove that one, right? It's very simple. Next we have price, this one. So how to grab the price, that is 51.77. so that is from the class price color, right? So we see that is also in P here. So item dot select one, that is P dot price color dot text dot strip. And next in the same way we can find that is in stock ability is also there. So let's say that in stock ability, and we see that is what to need to grab, that is in stock, that is this value, right? So this P value. So in this one, in stock ability and dot text dot strip. And next we have rating class, that is you see that here we have this rating, let's say, okay, so that is star rating, and we need to grab that P and star rating, and after that we will grab that 3, this one, right? We can grab this 3. So here how they deal with this thing, very simple, that is 3, this part. So the same way you can say that is item dot select one P dot star rating dot class. What it will do, it will create 2 things, that is a star rating, next that is also the result will be that is star rating and 3, because it has 2 inside it, right? So that is inside this class name, it has star rating and 2, 3. So you can see next time how to grab that 3. It's very simple. If you remove the star rating, if you grab the first element, you will find that is what is the rating here. And next partial URL, that is simply what I say before, that is this part. So this dot that HTML. So how to grab that, that is h3.a href, and this link that equal to this partial URL, and that's simply appending this one. And next we have time.sleep. If we have more than, let's say that is 1 pages, you have here we have I think 20 pages, showing 20 we say. So showing that is 1000 result, and how many pages we have, let's say that is 50 pages we have, sorry. So you can grab this, right? And next pd.data frame, it will create the data frame using that is pandas. And next you can also find what is the result, the first 5 element of there, you can show that. So that is 0, this one. So very simple. So that's all. That is the complete overview of advanced Python module and web scraping. And if you understand and practice this tool, you are ready for real world Python development. And like, share, comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in the next lesson.